Multani General Passages, passage number 14. Ready. The joint communique issued at the end of the 5-day state visit of Gambian President Shah Jawara to Pakistan underlines the high level of understanding and closeness of relations achieved between the two sides as a result of contact. Full stop. It was an extremely fruitful visit in the course of which the two countries were able to take important decisions to further cement their ties. Full stop. The traditionally good relations existing between Pakistan and Gambia and the special feeling that the people of Pakistan have for their Gambian brethren were fully reflected in the warm and enthusiastic welcome that President Jawara received wherever he went. Full stop. The formal talks between the two sides were held in a very cordial atmosphere. Full stop. They revealed a close identity of views on the various regional and international issues that came under discussion. Full stop. According to the communique, the two sides expressed satisfaction at the existing state of relations between them and agreed that the time was opportune for their further promotion in specific fields. Full stop. The two sides considered several proposals for the expansion of cooperation in the fields of agriculture, irrigation, industry and defense and agreed that there was need for an institutional framework to facilitate cooperation between the two countries. Full stop. This is a matter that will be taken up at a later stage, but an immediate result of the visit was the conclusion of an accord on economic, scientific, technical and education collaboration between the two countries. Full stop. The agreement provides, among other things, for an exchange of technology and technical personnel and cooperation in the field of education, training and grant of scholarships. Full stop. The two countries will also exchange information of mutual interest through the regular exchange of visits between experts and government officials belonging to economic and scientific sectors. Full stop. Cooperation in setting up medium and small scale industries and developing energy sources is also envisaged in the agreement. Full stop. New paragraph. The communique records a close similarity of approach between the two sides on the various regional and international issues that came under discussion. Full stop. Afghanistan was one of the problems that figured in the talks. Full stop. President Ziaul Haq apprised President Jawara of the situation in Afghanistan, and the two leaders agreed that peace in Afghanistan could be restored only through a political solution based on the resolutions of the United Nations, the Islamic Conference Organization and the NAM, which call for the withdrawal of foreign troops in that country, restoration of the independent and non-aligned character of Afghanistan, freedom of political choice to the Afghan people and creation of conditions for the return of refugees in safety and honor. Full stop. On the Middle East, the two countries reaffirmed their conviction that the withdrawal of Israeli troops from occupied Arab territories and recognition of the inalienable rights of the Palestinian people were the only way to establish lasting peace in the area. Full stop. The two sides also registered their sense of anguish at the continuing fratricidal war between Iraq and Iran and appealed to them to find a peaceful settlement to their differences. Full stop. All in all, it was a most useful 5 days that President Jawara of Gambia spent in Pakistan. Full stop. The visit strengthened the existing friendship between Pakistan and Gambia and paved the way for the rapid expansion of mutually advantageous cooperation in the future. Full stop.